On this episode of Sailing with Chingon. Well, after 2 years at Texhome, it was time for a refit. And on the way back, we noticed a little vibration down in the engine. So that led to a little inspection of the Yanmar 1GM 10. And after some work and some detailed breakdown of the transmission, well, let's just say my mind started spinning. There I was, sitting there all bummed out, trying to decipher what to do. Then, like an epiphany from Neptune himself, I got a bright idea. Repower with the greatest engine ever, the Beta Marine. We'll jump online, a little cashing into the Bitcoin, and I run over to the freight shop. Picked her up and headed back to the boat. And by now the boat was dry side up on the trailer. Alright, here we go. A new engine. Ready to lift up and set into the cockpit. That's it for this episode.